Namaste everyone. Mahati Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Today we begin a very important transition in Chapter 1 Samadhi Path, Sutra 1.12. The sutra is Abhyas Vairagyabhyam Tan Nirodha, which means the stilling of the fluctuations of the mind is achieved through abhyas, practice, and vairagya, surrender. Meaning, the stilling of the mind's fluctuations can be achieved through abhyas, practice, vairagya, detachment. After describing 5 types of vrittis, mental modifications, Maharishi Patanjali now describes 2 wings of yoga, abhyas and vairagya. Together they form the foundation of spiritual discipline and mental mastery. Abhyas is steady, consistent practice that leads to the stability of the mind. It is a conscious effort to remain established in stillness, to repeatedly bring the mind back to the present, to awareness, to peace. And Vairagya is detachment or non-attachment. It is the ability of the mind to let go of attraction or aversion towards experiences. It means releasing the mind's dependence on outer conditions for peace. So, Abhyas and Vairagya are twin tools through which the restless mind can be trained, made calm, kept steady. Maharishi Patanjali reminds us that these two must work together. Abhyas prepares the mind and Vairagya releases it from clinging. Think of a bird in flight. It soars with both the wings. If one wing represents Abhyas, another Vairagya, without both, the flight is not possible. Take another example of rowing the boat. If Abhyas is the action of rowing forward, Vairagya is lifting the anchor that holds you back. Without releasing the attachment, practice cannot take you far. Without practice, detachment will become inertia. Until now, the sutras till 1.11 explained what needs to be stilled, that is vrittis. Now Maharishi Patanjali begins to explain how to still them. So, Abhyas and Vairagya both are necessary practices, the essence of all yogic and spiritual discipline. A calm and steady mind is essential for self-mastery. In our daily life, we face so many distractions and desires which keep the mind disturbed. Abhyas teaches us persistence and focus. Vairagya teaches us freedom from emotional dependence. They say most of our problems are because we cannot keep the mind steady. To quiet the mind, we need both the discipline of practice and grace of letting go. Reflect, what is my current abhyas? The practice I return to again and again to center myself. Can I notice where attachment and expectation silently disturb my peace of mind and soften my grip there? In the moments of restlessness, can I remember steadiness achieved through practice, freedom achieved through letting go? So, the essence of Sutra 1.12 is that the mind becomes still through 2 forces, Abhyas and Vairagya, steady practice and gentle detachment. Together, they lead the seeker towards true peace. This was about Sutra 1.12. We will meet again in our next episode with next Sutra. Until then, thank you.